Mr. Matala, just tell me your place of birth. I was born in Seshego, but in Petersburg Hospital, Provincial Hospital. Where were you born?
I was born in Mamelodi.
Yeah, which hospital?
It's no longer there. They used to call it a nursing home, but it's no longer there.
Do you have a birth certificate from there?
Yes, I do have.
And then the primary school you went to?
It is called Uwani Primary School.
Was a principal there?
Principal, it was Serudu.
And then were you baptized?
No, I was never baptized.
And then high school? You said it yesterday.
Leshabile High School.
Who was a principal there?
Ngwe, Mr. Ngwe.
After high school, you didn't proceed to tertiary education?
No, I didn't.
And then you never worked in any formal employment or?
No, I never had any formal employment.
So from high school, that's when you engaged in informal trading?
Yes, I will say before even high school, my mother disappeared on me, and then I had to raise myself. I was actually a street kid. So I grew up in the street for a very long time. So I just realized after when I grew up that my mother passed away, but she was an albino. And I heard later that she was raped.
So you don't have any relative or any association, none whatsoever, with some people in Swaziland?
No, I don't have.
So when you travel to Swaziland now, what were you traveling for? What purpose?
It was I was invited to the king's birthday.
Oh, so you know the king?
And the queen mother.
Yes, but
yes, I was invited by the queen mother.
Oh, so you know the queen mother?
Yeah, but it was the birthday of the king. But I went there
through the queen mother?
Yes.
You were a guest of a queen mother?
Yes.
So this ID that has got your picture and the ID number that is similar to yours and all of that, what is the story there?
I don't have an ID for Eswatini. So that thing was fabricated so that they can deny me bail.
Yes, but in the judgment of the appeal or something, it looks like that judge didn't consider that as the grounds that must be used to deny you bail, because he says police did not produce the original ID.
Yes,
if I'm not wrong.
Yes, on the judgment they said that I've traveled to Eswatini using that fraudulent ID.